Hey everyone, welcome back to Yazi YouTube channel.
Today, we'll be using kreadoai, a fantastic tool that you can find in the description below. The best part, it's currently 100% free, so let's dive right in and get started. To begin, simply sign up for an account by clicking on the Start Free button and registering with your Gmail account. It's a quick and hassle-free process. Once you're in, you'll be presented with a range of options. Since we're focusing on AI avatars, select the Oral Broadcast Video Creation option. Now, take a look at the incredible collection of virtual oral characters available here. You'll find a wide variety of unique and advanced characters, each with their own distinct speaking style. And the best part, they are all free to use. You can even customize the aspect ratio to your liking. On the left side of the screen, you'll notice several options. Firstly, choose the language type that suits your needs. Then, set the character tone to match the desired vibe. Additionally, you can select the language style that aligns with your preferences. Next, let's add the script. But here's the exciting part, kreadoai offers an AI writing feature. Simply input your keywords, and within seconds, your script will be ready. You can also fine-tune the speech rate and tone to achieve the desired effect. Want to hear how it sounds? Click on the audio button to preview the voice.
Introducing the breakthrough innovation that allows you to create your very own AI talking avatar for free.
Now, it's time to choose your favorite character from the selection. Once you've made your choice, click on Generate Video to start the process. Please note that the video creation process may take approximately 10 minutes to complete. You can check the progress on the My Project page, so feel free to come back to it later. Once the video is generated, you can easily download it and enjoy your very own AI talking avatar creation. Isn't that incredible? With kreadoai, you can bring your avatars to life without any hassle or financial burden. So go ahead and start creating your personalized AI talking avatar today. Remember to like this video and subscribe for more exciting tutorials like this. Thank you for watching, and happy avatar creation!